Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a reservation on Opentable. The first thing you will need to do is go onto opentable.com. Once on the website, what I want you to do, in the top left hand corner you can tap right beside Opentable, and from there you could choose your location. After you have chosen your location, right where you see the date, you're going to tap right there and you are going to choose the date that you would like to book the reservation on. So let's say for tomorrow, which would be the 21st. Then you are going to choose the time. After you have chosen the time, you can choose how many of you would like to book the reservation for, whether it is for one person, two person, and it can go up to, let me see, up to 20 people or a large party. Once you have done that, you are going to go over to where you see location, restaurant, or cuisine. From here, for example, if you would like to choose different restaurants or get an outlook on different restaurants in a location, you could type in a location, or if you have a specific restaurant name, you could simply type in the restaurant name. But for this example, I'll use one of these examples right here, one of these restaurants. So I'll simply tap on this time right here. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is enter your first, last name, email address, phone number, and if it is for a special occasion, you could tap on select special occasion. For example, if it is for a birthday or an anniversary, or if it's date night and you want to plan something special, you can do that. Or any special requests, you could type it in right there. And each restaurant has a different grace period. So for this restaurant, they offer a 15-minute grace period. Some restaurants offer half an hour, some offer 20 minutes. It all depends. Then you're going to simply scroll down. Then you'll simply tap on sign me up. You can select any one of these you want, and you're going to tap on complete reservation, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.